Use an at-home dry cleaning system to save money. There are items that say that they are dry clean only. Most of these items are expensive and delicate that washing them with the regular method will damage their material. Usually, dry clean only items are brought for professional washing. Cleaning them is done only once or twice a year. But bringing them to a cleaning shop is still very expensive compared to the home dry cleaning system. You can save money by simply using the system. Below are more ways on how to use an at-home dry cleaning system and save money. Purchase a kit. Do not attempt to dry clean items at home if you haven't purchased a dry cleaning kit. This is a complete set of everything that you will need to do the dry cleaning at home. It also has instructions on how to dry clean items using each of the things included in the kit. Also, check the kit if it is complete before you start the washing. Look for the list of the kit's content to see if you have everything that should be included in it. Most kits include a big bag for holding the dry clean only clothes, a stain remover and its pad, and the dry cleaner sheet. Prepare the clothes. Do not combine clothes with different colors. Clothes with stains should be separated even if they are of the same color. Check anything in the pocket and remove any dirt from it. Remove dirt that can be removed by hands. Try to tap the clothes with your hand to loosen hardened dirt. Dry clean non-stained clothes. Simply put all the clothes with similar color in one big laundry bag. Put only as much cloth as the bag can handle. Add one dry cleaner sheet in the bag. 2. Seal this bag to prepare it for the dryer. Dry clean stained clothes. Spot treatment is needed before dry cleaning stained clothes. Insert a stain remover pad so that the stained part is resting against it. Add some drops of stain remover on that spot and you will see the mark disappearing. Repeat if the stain is not yet removed. Once satisfied, remove the pad and then add the cloth in the same laundry bag for clothes of similar color. Seal this bag. 2. Place the cleaning bag inside the dryer. Put only one bag at a time. Set the dryer to medium temperature and use its permanent press cycle. Close the dryer and turn it on. Leave it running for about 30 minutes. Repeat this step for other laundry bags. Remove the bag right after the dryer has completed the cycle. Do not let the bag sit in the dryer for so long or the clothes might suffer damages. Get the clothes out of the laundry bag. The clothes should smell fresh by now. Separate the clothes and then hang those using clothes hangers. Using an at-home dry cleaning system is already a money saver. But to save more money, do the dry cleaning all at once. Collect all the clothes that need dry cleaning and after some months, dry clean them all. Doing this saves not only money but also time and your energy.